Okay, so what does it really look like for us to, well, get somebody's information and get them checked in? So I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of an example of how ideally it's supposed to go, and then we're gonna talk about how to overcome some of these other objections, okay? So this is in reality what it looks like.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to our open house.
Thank you.
Awesome, what brings you by today?
I just saw your sign, wanted to pop in and take a look around.
Fantastic. All right, what's your first name?
It's Angel.
Angel, and your phone number?
It's 602
602
480
480
00
00 00. Fantastic. Okay, so you're about to get a 4-digit code. Can you read it off to me, please?
Bing. 1234.
1234. Fantastic. Well, I'm Giancarlo, and this is our lovely agent, Angel. Okay, so she's going to be taking care of any questions for you.
Great.
Okay?
Yeah.
So have a good look around. The bedrooms are here, the bathrooms are there,
Okay.
etc., etc. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Boom. So essentially, as the client now starts walking in, you can see a couple of differences and a couple of things that I did. First off, you probably noticed that I did not ask, can I check you in? I went straight into, fantastic, what's your name? And then, what's your phone number? And then, this is what's gonna happen, can you read that code off to me? Now, it is important that you do this, and if you see my body posture was firm, upright, I had a little bit of eye contact, about 3 seconds, and then afterwards I turned sideways. Very, very important that you know why this is happening. If you are standing straight against somebody, they're going to feel that rejection, or they're gonna feel like you're standing in my way, so there's gonna be a little bit more conflict. So a little bit on the meek side, sideways, tilt a little bit down and hold the phone in front of you. That's essentially all that needs to happen, whether you're holding a phone or a tablet or anything else. So that is our second part on how to check some